SERVPRO of Old Bridge, Cranbury is an award-winning IICRC certified disaster restoration company that specializes in emergency flood and water damage restoration 24 hours a day. Highly trained restoration technicians are here to help using advanced state-of-the-art water extraction and drying equipment. SERVPRO has a proven track record of restoring homes and businesses back to their pre-loss condition, fast and efficiently, throughout Old Bridge, Cranbury, and surrounding areas. If you have a water damage emergency, call SERVPRO of Old Bridge, Cranbury at 732-257-3739.